Ideogram just updated their styles and now they are almost 60. Let me show you a few of them. So I'm on the main page. When you go on designs, you can see here are the styles. When you scroll down, you can see how many there are. And let's try to recreate some designs to see how they look in different styles. We can actually we can use this one and we can start tweaking in different styles. Let's do remix. I will remove this one, and on design, let's do which one? This one, halftone print. Let's make it, yes, two images in the same time. So let's try different one. We're going on styles. Let's do C4D cartoon. So let's open the creations. This one is very abstract, is nice. This one as well. This one is completely different. Okay, let's try which one? This one, coloring book, wash, vintage geo. Let's do coloring book to see what we're gonna receive. Let's do vintage geo. Coloring book is completely different, but it's nice. This one is also completely different. So from one prompt, you can receive completely different designs, which is very nice. Let's try which one. Let's scroll it a bit down. 80s illustration. Let's see 80s illustration. I didn't check it until now. I didn't play at all. So 80 is very good as well. It's not gonna work for t-shirts, but you can create different type of designs. Style, which one? Which one? Art Deco. Let's do Art Deco. Let's try different one. Magazine, nostalgia, art poster. Let's do this one, blueprint. So this one was Art Deco. It's pretty nice as well. This was nostalgia, or no, this was blueprint. Let's check if we can find something for t-shirt designs or doodle. This one is going to be good, I think. Coloring book 2, blur emotion. Let's do doodle. And also coloring book 2, style, coloring book 2. Doodle is good. Coloring book 2. Let's try. Nope. Flat art. This one, flat vector. Let's do this one. Coloring book is good and also is completely different. This one is. What was this one? Pop art. I think it's pop art or completely different as well. Flat art. Now let's do flat vector. And what else? Style. Flat vector. Graffiti. Let's do graffiti 2 or graffiti 1. Let's do graffiti 1. So this one is flagged vector. It's very strange, but it's completely different. I didn't expect this. This one also is very different. Okay, graffiti, jazzy, iconic, mixed media, minimal illustration. Let's do minimal illustration. And we are almost at the end. Minimal illustration. Let's do which one? Minimal max media, oil painting, pop art. Let's do pop art. This one was minimal illustration. Oh, this one is nice, pop art. I think I like pop art the most. Let's see what else we gonna have. Retro, travel poster, vintage poster, weird. Let's do weird. And let's do travel poster. or vintage poster. This one is is really weird. Vintage poster, and I'll do this one is nice as well. Let's do this one as well, retro one, and I think that's enough. You can see from one prompt we've got this one is also very nice. We've got completely different designs. Let's try with the t-shirt prompt to see what we're gonna receive. I don't think it's going to be good, but let's do this one. Let's copy this prompt and try. Let's try this style as well. This was a retro. It's not too bad, but the previous one is better. Let's try which one. This one. I'm going to use this one is pop art. Let's find the pop art. Art Deco. Where was the pop art? What art? What vector? Pop art. There you go. Generate. And let's do what else? This one is scary one, yeah. It's not too bad, but anyway. Let's try. Let's do coloring one. I think this one and one more. I don't think it's very good for t-shirt design. Let's do this one. Which one? Which one? Which one? Doodle. Let's do doodle. This one is the best one, I think. You can try actually. It's not gonna work for t-shirt design, but let's try something different. Let's try clip art. Animal clip art. See if it's going to be good. Let's do the frog. So remix. I'm gonna delete this one and use different style. Which one? Let's do the pop art first to see. Let's also do the sketch one. Art vintage geo. This one coloring book. Let's open creations. I don't know. This one is good. So for coloring book, actually you can recreate some images for coloring book or some other designs. But for t-shirt designs, I don't think it's going to work very good. Let's try which one. Let's do this one. And I think this is enough. But anyway, you can play with the styles and see, oh, this one is nice. You can create clip arts with this style. And actually, you can go on ChatGPT and you can use MyDesigns. GPT is going to scale. Let me show you. You can go GPTs and type MyDesigns. Let's see if it's going to find this one. So let's open, you can open this one and you can link to the sidebar. Let's grab this prompt. This one, start chat. Put the prompt here and ask scale this in different animals. And it's gonna scale this prompt for different animals. You can play with this GPT. So let's grab this one. Let's first do it with this style. Let's do 3 of them. And by the way, I will link the My Designs GPT down below in the description if you want to check it out. So let's back to the video. So put this, remove this one with Control X, generate the third one. Now remove the prompt and see the original prompt, how it's going to look. Let's go on creations, and you can see you can create. Actually, they are very good, and the other one also are very good. And you can create clip arts in the same style. Perfect. I'm going to try this. It's very nice. So with that being said, guys, you can check the styles. We found at least one usage of these styles. We can create clip arts in the same style. It's very good. I'm going to use this. So with that being said, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.